In this video, I'm going to explain the opening range breakout report on edgeful.com. So we're looking at the price action report type. We're obviously looking at the orb report. We're looking at SPY in the trailing 1 year. So this report, there's a lot here that I'm about to explain. So this report takes the opening 15-minute candle, and that's the range. That's the orb range, the opening range of the first 15 minutes. Any candle that breaks above is a breakout. Any candle that breaks below that range is a breakdown. Any candle that breaks above and below is a double break. And when there are no breaks of the first 15-minute candle, that goes into this bucket. It's extremely rare. So I know I just said a lot right there. Let me just go into an example. This is SPY. This was a couple days ago or yesterday. This right here is the opening range right there. So this here, from the high to the low, the first candle is the opening range. You can see that this today was a breakout. This day was a breakout because price went above this high. And that is why here we have this candle for visual help above the high of this orb candle. So this day actually counted towards this breakout. A breakdown is the opposite. So if this candle had broken below, that would be a breakdown. Then a double break is if this candle had broken the top and the bottom in the same candle. That is it's pretty rare that it happens. So if it does break out of one direction, it's unlikely that in that same candle, it'll also break the low. Then finally, we have no breaks. Very, very rare that we see no breaks because that would mean that price would have to stay within this range all day. Very, very unlikely. But there is actually an example with Apple, as I go through this, happened twice in the last year. So that opening range is probably very big and price just stayed within that range for the rest of the day. But this report really helps you understand what's the probability of price breaking above or below that opening range, and also if it can break above and below in this double break case. I know a lot of people like this orb report. I know that there could be a lot more that gets added to it. We also have by weekday here, so this kind of like filters it down for certain weekdays. You could see that Fridays, for example, break out more than they break down. And as we go through the rest of the days, you can see that there's a lot of differences. So Tuesday, for example, in the last year, 58% of the time there's a breakdown. So the first candle that breaks that 15-minute orb is below. So this is how you can use this report. You can always obviously reach out to us with any questions here if you'd like us to kind of walk you through it more. If you have any additions to this report, please let us know in the new report ideas. If you'd like to see something else in addition, if you'd like to see some more factors here, please let us know. There is an explanation here. We also have a little more verbal explanation here as well. And please, again, as a reminder, don't be shy to reach out. Whether you want to add stuff to this report or just have any questions, we're happy to get on a call with you. I hope this video helps, and I hope this helps your trading too. Thank you.